Welcome to Lender Off-System ILL requests. Off-System ILL requests are those requests initiated outside of WorldShare ILL that you can bring into the system to take advantage of managing all your ILL requests in one place and making those requests part of the supported usage reports. The first step is to configure your ILL partners in the OCLC Service Configuration under WorldShare ILL category, then Address Book for you to refer to them when adding off-system requests to WorldShare ILL. Let's see how you can configure your partners and then add those requests to the system for you to manage them. This is the WorldShare ILL homepage. The easiest way to access the OCLC service configuration to configure your partners is clicking the respective link in the middle section under Other. Now you are in the OCLC service configuration. You need admin role in your WorldShare ILL account to be able to use this piece of the service because you are configuring for your library and not for your account only. To configure your partner, on the left side panel, click WorldShare ILL, then Address Book. Select Partners tab. To add a new partner, click the Add Partner button located on the upper right side. Keep the Active box located on the right checked, then complete the form with your partner information. The symbol field can be completed using the institution well-known symbol, or you can create one with 3 to 20 characters in length and using valid characters. This symbol cannot be changed after creation. Symbol is a required information. The ILL email is a required field as well. Enter this information. Define the role, borrower and lender, borrower or lender. Then select the days to respond for copy and for loan. The online catalog link field is optional. Continue completing the form with the information about your partner, such as locale, shipping address, billing address, return address, contact address. Add any notes you find useful. Click the Create button located here on the lower right side of the screen. And your partner is then added to the system. You can click your partner's name to open the record in case you need to update any information. Now that you have your partners configured, you can add the requests created outside of WorldShare ILL into the system. To add a request, on the left side panel, click Off-System Request Accordion to expand, then Create Lending Request button. Select the type of request, loan or copy, then enter the ILL ID you have with your partner for this request. Select your partner, The information comes from the configuration. Complete the need before date using the calendar icon. Then complete one of the fields with the item information. For this example, let's complete the title field with part of the title. Then, when you click the next field, this magnifying glass icon appears. You click on that. This magnifying glass icon takes you to the search result page in WorldCat. Select the appropriate bibliographic record, clicking on the title. Then click Apply Data to Request New button. And all the information transfers to your form. Apply your constant data. All the information about your library goes in the form from the constant data. Complete the form, and when you are ready, click the Create button located on the upper right side of the screen under Actions. Your request is now part of the off-system request, and the system creates the unique ID for this request. When you need to update your request, you can find it on the left side panel on the off-system request queue, open to expand, under Landing. You can click the ID or the title to open the request, and then you can manually update the status of your request. In case of a copy request, click on your copy request, apply the constant data for copy, and you can use Article Exchange to supply the item. Click the OCLC Article Exchange link, select your file, click the Drop File button. Article Exchange creates a unique URL and password to protect the document. This document automatically expires after 30 days or after 5 views and does not count staff preview. You can preview your file to see if this is the correct one. And then you can use this email doc to Patron button to send this information to your partner. All the information about the request goes on the body of the message, including the unique URL and password to access the file, and the information that the file is available for 30 days or 5 views. You can enter your email address and the email address of your partner, then send this information to supply this item to your partner, and then you can change the status of this request to shipped. And now your request becomes part of the supported ILL usage reports. You can find more documentation on this topic and contact the OCLC support at help.oclc.org. Thanks for watching.